Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the realm of unstoppable businesses. Starting a business can be a risky venture, but these 6 ventures have proven time and time again that they're not just surviving, but thriving. But before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss an update from our channel. We're here to support your entrepreneurial journey and provide you with valuable insights that can make all the difference. So, let's dive right in and discover the secrets behind these successful ventures. Our first business category with an astonishingly low failure rate is the food industry. People will always need to eat, and that's why food-related businesses consistently thrive. Whether it's a cozy cafe, a trendy restaurant, or even a food truck, the demand for delicious meals is ever present. However, it's essential to focus on factors like location, quality, and customer service to stand out from the competition. The second type of business that seldom fails is the healthcare industry. As the saying goes, health is wealth, and that sentiment holds true. Whether it's hospitals, clinics, or specialized medical services, the need for healthcare is constant. However, success in this industry requires expertise, trust, and a commitment to patient well-being. Moving on to our next business category, we have education. Knowledge is power, and investing in education is a wise decision. From preschools to universities, the demand for quality education is always high. By providing innovative teaching methods, excellent faculty, and a nurturing environment, educational institutions can establish themselves as pillars of the community. Our fourth business with an impressively low failure rate is personal care and beauty services. People will always strive to look and feel their best, making salons, spas, and beauty clinics thrive in any economic climate. By offering exceptional services, staying updated with the latest trends, and providing a relaxing experience, these businesses can build a loyal customer base. Next on our list is the housing industry. As long as there are people, there will be a need for shelter. Whether it's renting or buying, real estate and property-related businesses tend to remain stable. By understanding the market, offering attractive properties, and delivering excellent customer service, real estate agents, property developers, and property management companies can achieve long-term success. Finally, the last business category that rarely fails is the technology sector. We live in an increasingly digital world, and technology is at the forefront of innovation. From software development and IT services to hardware manufacturing and online platforms, technology-based businesses thrive by staying ahead of the curve and delivering cutting-edge solutions. And there you have it, 6 types of businesses with amazingly low failure rates. Whether it's the food industry, healthcare, education, personal care and beauty services, housing, or technology, these sectors have proven their resilience time and time again. Remember, starting a business requires dedication, hard work, and a thorough understanding of your target market. By providing exceptional products or services, adapting to changing trends, and maintaining a customer-centric approach, you too can increase your chances of success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay inspired and keep chasing your entrepreneurial dreams.